Welcome to a new vlog. It's car cleaning day and we have a little guest here.
Good day.
And he is washing his wife's car. So everyone here knows what kind of car I drive, but tell us more about your wife's car.
Yeah, as you've seen, it's a Seat Leon 2018. 4 doors, 110 horsepower, very slow, more of a city car. Splendid in the city, horrible in the long drives. Worth every penny. So if you're into a new city car, I recommend this 10 out of 10. But if you're always using it in long rides, it's a no-go. Go with Audi. And then that one.
Audi A4. And stands it. So the car is here. Well, very small, but plenty of room as well. Kind of strange, but yeah, small car but roomy. So, since we are talking cars, so if you watching the video, tell us more what you drive and what you want to drive, or your dream car. So comment below and yeah, and I will answer every comment. So I just found out one thing, that we are back in the do-it-yourself hall here that I hung my car. last summer, and here's why. It's a huge freaking shit-faced shit here. So I cannot drive in here with my car, so I need to wash my car another place. So
Air suspension.
air suspension. So well, I
In the
think.
next vlog, Preffs installs an air ride on his Audi A4.
So
Be tuned.
what did you say?
In the next video, you install an air ride on your A4. Congrats! Tune in.
And he is paying. So we are done with the wash of the Seat car, and well, I'm pleased. It's shine. It's shine. My friend here is only going to take the door from the inside and stuff, and then I will do another video when I wash my own car. Because
Equally important.
what?
It's equally important to dry your car inside, outside.
Yeah.
Especially when you have a leak in your car. Then it's highly important of drying it out. But unfortunately, but luckily I don't have an internal leak in my car. My wife's car.
So, my car, next video, I promise you. So, if you like the video of me and my friend here, let's select this. Comment below if you want me to upload more videos with me and a friend, and I will definitely do that because it was fun. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, push the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great one until then.